This video tutorial I will explain what is CRUD operation. CRUD stands for create, read, update and delete. These are the four basic functions or operations in persistent storage systems and database applications. First one is create. Create operation involves adding new data or records into the database. Create is about inserting new information into the system. For example, in an application, creating a new user profile or adding new entry into the list would be the create action. The second one is read. Read is also known as retrieval or fetch. The read operation involves accessing or viewing existing data from the database without altering it. Read is about retrieving information that already exists. For example, viewing a list of products on an e-com website or reading user profile details from the database. Third one is update. Update operation allows for modifying or editing existing data in the database. Update operation involves changing the information while keeping the fundamental structure intact. For example, updating a user profile picture or changing the price of the product in an inventory system. Fourth one is delete operation. Delete operation involves removing or eliminating existing data from the database. Delete operation permanently erases the record from the system. For example, removing a specific entry from the list or deleting user account from the database. These CRUD operations are fundamental in building and interacting with databases or data storage systems. They form the backbone of most software applications, which allows users to perform essential actions like creating, viewing, modifying, and deleting the data. Understanding CRUD is crucial for anyone working with databases, web development, or software development, as these operations are at the core of managing data effectively within applications. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.